is Joycey. I'm trying myself to create a new channel and to upload basics to my experience. I'm not a good YouTuber, but I'm trying to explain step by step in this video. I will discuss about using your mobile to send money in just 10 minutes. So I'd like to introduce a remittance company and get the best rate and potential. Could save some money, so I would like to introduce a remittance company that I used recently. I guarantee 100% that your money are safe. This company is called Rewire. Rewire was founded in 2015 in Israel. It's a young company, but now making its own name in the industry. It's serving an average of 40,000 monthly active users all over the world, and that includes Nigeria, India, Thailand, Nepal, Sri Lanka, China, Ghana, and of course in the Philippines. Do you know what more interesting? You can transfer money directly from the Philippines using the bank transfer, cash pickup, or mobile wallet instantly. So today's video, I'll be sharing the step-by-step on how to transfer money from the Euro to the other country, especially in the Philippines, through mobile wallet either to GCash. To start, you need to register on your laptop, on your mobile to download the application. You can follow me in the Google browser to step by step. Okay? So you can fill up the information, your first name, your last name, and then your phone number. And next, your email address and password. The password should consist of 8 characters with at least an uppercase and the lowercase letter and the number. So, example this one, if you say that all is green, it means that your password is okay. Then, select the country you will send the money. You will verify your account by submitting one of the following valid ID or passport, and make sure to check the readability of the ID or passport. You take a selfie and enter your address. Once you save the application, you will then receive a verification email saying that your wire account is verified and active. To send money with Rewire, click on the Send Money tab or to Get Started button on the home page. Enter the amount you want to send in the euro. Any other currency are sending into the calculator. You will see how much you will exactly receive based on today's rate. Click on Next. Once you are ready, you can also notice that exchange rate is 1 euro to your currency. To send money with Rewire, click on Send Money. Click the Send Money tab or to Get Start button on the home page. You enter the amount, example 100 euro, equivalent in the Philippines 5,692. The rate is 57.783, and then you click Next. Because I have already all the name, you can add receiver, and then you fill up the first name, middle name. Example, I fill up the name for my brother, and then the receiver city, and then the telephone number. And then next, and you can choose to have bank account. You have choose sub BDO, BPI, PNB, Land Bank, Metro Bank, Allied Bank. All of these you can choose this, which you and all to have also GCash. And then account to have also an account number, or you can select also cash pickup. You choose pickup Emlolier. You can choose pickup Emlolier, Cebuana, Palawan Express, and you put the full address. You choose example. I will choose Cebuana, and then the full address. And then you add, and then you put the family support, and then you will send now, and to have your verification, your password, and then next, and then next, and then you confirm your CBC. Example, I will confirm the CBC, confirm, and then you have the verification code to confirm. Only that.